How you been, Ziz?
Yeah, good. How you been?
Good.
Nice to see you, man.
Yeah. My goodness, it's been a while, eh?
No.
So many freaking people around.
Yeah.
And I just got sick of that. Like eating breakfast the size of this area. Hey, like 3,000 people or something, you know, so they're all doing the same. I'm
Yeah.
like waiting in line to get a fried egg, like fuck off. Thanks, man.
That's alright.
Pass me a rubbish. No, mate, 'cause you always pick the rubbish from the bloody campsites and stuff. Yeah, you know, like those what ifs. The more what ifs you put in your life, the more fucked up it's gonna get.
Yeah.
Hope you find your place, because you're a great guy.
Yeah, well,
I don't want you to lose your fucking marbles type thing, you know what I mean?
I've been in worse places before, man. It'll be alright.
Yeah.
I think I get frustrated because it's been so long since I felt so stuck and so shit that I'm like, I have all of these tools. I've worked in mental health for so long. Just
you know all the schedules.
Yeah. I'm like, do the things that you teach everyone every day.
You gotta go and see the house one day.
Well, I was gonna say we can drive there on the way back if you want.
Oh yeah.